This trade on screen helped me achieve $1,100 on my Alpha Capital Group 50k funded account. Starting on the 4-hour time frame, you can see at the end of this downtrend, we then have a bullish shift to the upside with this candle close here. Okay, indicating to me that buyers are stepping into the market to then trade price higher. With this being said, this is in line with my weekly profile and what I have in mind. So this is aiding my boys to an absolute T. Okay, so 4-hour is bullish and looking for longs out of that area. Okay, so simply then looking to see premium discount of market structure to the upside. Okay, so our most immediate trading range that we're currently trading in is from 4-hour low to 4-hour high. Okay, this is now our trading range. What I'm looking to do and how I trade is simple market structure and premium discount. So simply we have market structure from a higher low to a higher high, looking for a rebalance into the discount of that range below this low, offer fair value for buyers, so let us buy at a good price, and then look to continue price to targets up here, which is previous day high and previous week high up here to clear draws on liquidity. Okay, so we can now be in agreement. We have got a directional bias and we have got clear draws on liquidity to target. So now it's a case of dropping down the time frames to our hourly time frame and seeing how price is delivering overnight and how can we use that information then to benefit from going into London session or into New York session. Okay, so as you can see on screen, previous day we have got a clear expansion to the upside, giving us that 4-hour trading range we have just been talking about. Okay, we have left previous day high unmitigated, which is at pro, so we can target that. And now you can clearly see with the blue box being Asian session has clearly shown clear intent to give fair value to buyers like me and you to trade price to the upside in session. Okay, so once we see this, then simply looking for entry model and looking to continue price to the upside. So once price rebalances, we have then we have got our confirmation and we have now simply looking for our entry model to ride price to the upside. Let price play out. You can see we get a sweep of these lows, we get a tap into the discount and then we trade away. Okay, the entry model on this pullback is out of session. So then we simply move on to New York session. You can see London session is out of session. So we induce the lows. Coming into New York session, we take out London lows again. Okay, we set a new New York session low, okay, an in session low, and now we're simply just looking to continue price to the upside. This is all just noise, okay? We're building up a lot of low resistance liquidity. So we have got previous day high up here, we have got Asian high, we've got London highs, we've got this high, we've got this high, plenty of liquidity for us to target, okay? Just building up a lot of orders to target. Let price play out. You can see what screams out to me is we get a 15-minute shift. Okay, so I mark out that high. We get a 15-minute shift above this high. Simply looking for an EQ entry of the shift leg. Okay, so we're marking my Fibonacci tool from low to high or your GAN box. From low to high, simply looking to execute on the 0.5 of that, the exact middle point of that range. Entry on EQ. Stop covers the low if you want to give it a bit of breathing room. And then simply for targets, wherever I counter trading, for me it was on a funded account, so I simply target Asian high, as I didn't want to be too greedy, as well as it was still a good risk to reward as well. Okay, I had Asian high up here for a 3.67 risk to reward. Okay, so on my funded account, that bagged me $1,100, quick and easy, in and out. I'll let price play out now. And you can see price smashes through TP, previous day high and previous week high, them draws we've had in mind. Okay, so that is that trade. You have got clear information on the 4-hour that price is going to the upside. We have got premium discount, directional bias, and draws on liquidity. Scaling them down to look for our discount pricing as we're looking for longs. Once we get discount pricing in session, as well as a sweep of previous session lows, being London lows, we get a 15-minute market structure shift entry model to the upside. Entry on EQ, stop covers the low, and then targeting a draw on liquidity or a fixed risk to reward, whatever it is that your trading plan requires. For me, it was Asian high, as it was a good risk to reward and bagged me a decent amount on my funded account. If you want to learn more about how I trade, about how my mentees trade, and how I view the markets, drop a comment below or message me on Instagram. We can have a free consultation call on how to get you trading like this, or if you don't trade before, we have educational programs that can help you as a beginner or an intermediate to get you up to standard, and then eventually you get to one-to-ones with myself and you can take trades like this and make a half month salary in less than an hour. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.